Smart Up Your Life.
Welcome back to Smart Up Your Life, and this is our third session.
Yay!
And in the previous session, guys, smart listener, we want to know which place in this world would you like to visit? The place like you are dreaming about to visit it.
Mhm.
So, from Mrs. Dewi, maybe
Again,
what's that place and why that place you should visit it?
uh, the only place I really want to visit is Switzerland, yeah.
Wow.
And yeah,
That's my hometown.
yeah.
Oh, really? Really? Pick me there. Pick us.
Unfortunately, about 3 or 4 years ago, I almost there when I
Almost
visit.
there, yeah.
Yeah, when I visit my German parents and my friends in France. It was failed because of the immigration. A lot of, too complicated, and that's why after pandemic, actually, I have some list to go to Switzerland because for me, it's my opinion.
Mhm.
As I see from Google or anything by social media to Switzerland is the best landscape for mountain, and it has snowboarding there because for me visiting another country should be in a has snow season,
Mhm.
because our country doesn't has that season,
Mhm.
and of course, as I know that Switzerland has a very natural water that is the whether in the river on the waterfall, you can drink it directly. You don't have to boil the water.
I think we have a snow in Makassar.
Yeah, we have a snow,
Just go to MP.
but no more. Yeah, no more access in
Yeah, come on, continue. Mhm.
or ice skating there.
Continue.
Yeah, that's it. That's the
Okay.
place I really want to visit.
Okay, thank you. Me too. So, Mr. Diaz,
Hmm? For
you wanna visit
me,
the
for
ice
me,
skating place? Okay. That's it, the place you wish.
no. Okay. For me, yeah, I want to go to Pink Beach, Aurora, Kawah Ijen,
Oh, yeah.
and Salju Abadi.
Oh.
Yeah, that's very unique, guys, because like Pink Beach, where we can get in a broad country. Yeah. So Pink Beach actually I didn't remember the exact location, but in NTT Pink Beach, and Blue Fire Kawah Ijen in Central Java. The fire on the top on the mountain, the fire is blue. Yeah. And Aurora, like in Europe, North Europe, like maybe Switzerland, Norwegia, Finland. Yeah, Finland. Yeah, something like that. And Salju Abadi in Puncak
Okay.
Jaya Wijaya. That's amazing.
The immortal snow.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
That's very beautiful. Okay. Nahwi?
Okay. Basically, this is like my biggest dream when I was children because when I was children, I do have like ambition or a dream to visit another country, specifically in UK, because I really love on how they set up the city, on how the scenery of the traditional architecture and
Like a vintage
etc.
lifestyle.
Yeah, vintage lifestyle. I really
Vintage
love it,
buildings.
and yeah, I do hope that later on, someday I can visit another country, whatever is that. But specifically, if we talk about the exact place, is that I really want to visit the UK itself because I have planned to continue my study abroad to improve my English skill, and I do hope that the place is United Kingdom. Yeah, I think that's it.
Amin.
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 For me, okay. I really pray for you. Yeah.
Yeah, thank you.
For the future, you can live in UK.
Yes.
Yeah. So, but for me, I want to visit Cappadocia
Oh,
in Turkey, and also in Indonesia. I really want to visit Papua. Papua, not in the city of Jayapura, yeah, but in the, how to say, I really want to know deeply the culture of Papua people, how they really live in a very simple life, very different with us.
Yeah.
How they survive, right?
On top of the tree.
That's
Right.
the unique thing.
Some of them.
Yeah. That's very, how to say, Papua is complicated land, very rich land, very complicated, and yes, I think I'm curious to know how they live there, how their culture deeply inside the Papua itself. Oh my God.
That's great.
Well, guys, but there's a lot of potential in Indonesia, and from the place that you mentioned before, we know say there's so much places in this world. We have to visit it. We have to see, to aware, how to say, yeah, to create awareness also from our to in ourselves. Oh yes, this world is very beautiful, but because of the pandemic, everything is limited. Yeah, everything was limited by the government, and now the time for us to recover the situation, right, from the tourism itself. So from your opinion, if you are get the obligation to recover the tourism itself, so what will you do
Yeah.
as a tourism ambassador?
I mean,
So who wants to answer first? Okay.
Oh my God.
Or you need time to answer? I give you 1 minute. 3, 2, 1.
Yay! Thank you. May I start? Okay. For me, if I have an obligation to recover the tourism sector, for example, I just start from myself, from the smallest thing, from the local. So I don't need to go to national to looking find the new place, the beautiful place, the most beautiful place, but I start to local. For example, if peoples all of Indonesian people from Sabang until Merauke aware about tourism, they can maximize by doing small things. Go to the local, and if the peoples all of us do that, I think our tourism will recover soon. So it is about statistic. It is about how can we empowering area by local, start from local to national,
Yeah. Yes.
and go to international.
Yes, amin. So,
Amin.
another answer, maybe?
Ini.
So I think if the pandemic is done or something like that, I think first thing first that we have to do about our tourism sector is that how we can advertise or advocacy our tourism place. I think by liput broadcast our tourism place. For example, because we have many tourism place in Indonesia, but I think because limit broadcast of that tourism place, they not recognize as a good place, or even maybe many people don't know which place is. For example, in Rekang, actually many place that very interesting to visit, but because no advertise, no advocacy, or some kind of broadcasting to how to say
Promote.
that place, they have limit. People have limit to go to their to that kind of place. So first, I think we have to advocacy or how to say advertise our tourism place in
Yes. Advocacy is one of the point.
Yes.
Also, that the UNWTO or World Tourism Organization focus on.
Yes.
So in this Tourism World Day, yesterday until today, there are three main points from the World Tourism Day. One of them is advocacy. So how can we advocate other people, other countries' people to visit our country and to promote the potential of our tourism. So that may be one of the way to recover tourism sector in our nation.
Yes.
So next answer we'll hear after the break. So don't go anywhere.